Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of Dogecoin in 2025, you might need to transfer your coins from your Arculus wallet to Coinbase Wallet. It's a straightforward process that can help you manage your crypto more efficiently, especially with the latest updates to wallet interfaces. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and Coinbase Wallet apps installed on your device. You'll need to have some Dogecoin in your Arculus wallet and know your Coinbase wallet address. If you haven't set up your Coinbase wallet yet, pause here and do that quickly. It's super easy. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Dogecoin balance. It should be listed under your Assets or Portfolio section. Tap on it to select it. Next, look for the Send or Transfer option. This is usually a button or icon that looks like an arrow pointing out. When you tap it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. Go to your Dogecoin wallet there, and find the Receive or Address section. Copy that address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double check for accuracy to avoid any mishaps. Back in Arculus, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Remember, Dogecoin transactions might have network fees, so check the estimated fee before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm or Send. You'll likely need to verify this with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status. It should show up as pending first, and once confirmed on the blockchain, you'll see it in your Coinbase wallet. This whole process usually takes just a few minutes, but times can vary based on network congestion. A quick tip: always use official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams or lost funds. If you run into any issues, most wallets have support resources. There you have it. That's how you send Dogecoin from Arculus to Coinbase in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below.